Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.